What's good, YouTube? I just finished doing this low taper. It's on curly hair. If you guys have not subbed to the channel, hit the sub button. And if you guys are interested in learning how to scale your barber business, you guys are stuck, you guys don't know what to do with content and social media, we have an online academy called the School of Barbering, where we teach barbers how to scale past 6 figures with content, editing content, filming content. We are there to help you guys grow. On bi-weekly Zoom calls, we will be there literally walking you through how to create content, how to edit it, when to post it. Any problems you might have with your business, we can solve them there. If you're interested, click the link down below where you guys will have access to us just for $99 a month, guys. So if you guys are interested, hit the link. But anyways, let's get to the tutorial. Using our soft trimmer, we're gonna go a finger above here, remove the bulk. Take a hard trimmer. If you guys don't have 2 trimmers, just use your sharpest trimmer to set that guideline, but don't go too hard doing this. That's why I use the other trimmer. See, it cleans it out. We can use our shaver now. Don't go all the way up. Leave a little bit of room so we can go up with our lever open. This makes the half. Now with the soft trimmer, we're gonna gently start flicking up that little line right there. It just makes it easier on the next step for us to use our clipper. It's a little trick. A lot of you guys struggle with just taking out that bottom line. This is a great tip for speed. You guys can see it already kind of blending out. Just go closed to open. Baby tap the line right here. I like this clipper because you can actually hear it cut. This blade is on point. Now I can go in the middle. Put the guideline in the middle. 3/4 open, almost go all the way up, but don't go all the way up until we fully open it. The 1.5 guard, we're gonna go closed, and we're gonna go a finger above that lever open. Usually, sometimes I go in with the 1 guard lever open, but since his hair is a little on the thinner side right here in the corners, I'm going with basically a bigger guard. So it makes it a lot darker. So the next step, let's close our lever and go with the 1 guard. And baby tap the line right here. I'm slowly just flicking up, flicking up, flicking up. Trying to conserve as much darkness. Now it's in the middle. Go a tiny bit higher. Then all the way open. I'm gonna grab our half guard closed, and you guys know exactly where we left off with the lever open. At the end of our lever open, I'm gonna go with the lever closed here with the half guard. The key in this step is not to go all the way up. Now it's in the middle, the lever's in the middle. And we'll go a tiny bit higher. Now all the way open. For the last step now, I'm gonna go in with my 3 guard closed and slightly just take off a little bit of hairs right here in the corner. You guys notice how the hair is growing backwards like this? And I'm going against the grain. Our 1.5 guard again and go open. We're just gonna lever play now. This is the part that you guys, I can't really teach this part unless you guys are actually knowledgeable with darkness of the hair, contrast, and just knowing exactly where to hit the hair. Sometimes you just can't explain things visually when you guys are watching it through a screen. In person, it will be a lot different, but just keep practicing. You guys will get the hang of lever play the more that you guys cut. Back is gonna be a little bit different, so I can kind of see where his blowout starts. So wherever his blowout starts, I'm gonna take the 3 guard and just scoop up right here. Scoop up. I want the hair to flare out from the 3 guard. So I'm scooping. Two guard now, we're gonna go open to closed. We're blending backwards basically. Downwards, backwards, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna close it. With our trimmer, we're gonna go about an inch here on top and kind of curve it a little bit. Move the bulk. Lever open now. Go about a finger above. We can go any method you guys want. I'm gonna go middle, hit the guideline in the middle, my lever's in the middle. Just think about this guideline being an inch thick. The lever's in the middle, we wanna go half an inch, basically midway. Now I'm gonna go 3/4 open, almost go all the way open, all the way up I meant. And all the way open now. So we went middle to the almost the open position, to now the closed, where I'm tapping that beginning of the line right there. The 1 guard open. I'm gonna flick up a little bit. I'm gonna close it. Maybe tap this line right here. Half guard, let's lever play. I'm gonna start with the closed. I'm gonna slowly open it on this side. Last step now, 1.5 guard. I'm gonna open it and flick up towards that 2 guard and that 3 guard that we used. To get a crispy lineup right here around the ear, first, let's make sure that this is lined up here, the top of the ear. Once that's lined up, we can get our second reference point, which here, it's a lot lighter here. So I wanna start here at the bottom. This is my point B. So make sure that this is crispy. Now, we can connect this point to over here. I'm gonna pull this ear down with my left middle finger Then with my other middle finger here, I'm gonna place it here as support. So I can just go up and down with my index finger and my thumb. So this is my start position, and I can angle the trimmer here and just use that right corner right there. Almost like a pencil. So with the outline here, then let's go back. I'm gonna comb all this back all the way. I'm gonna tilt the trimmer on this side to get all this little extra hairs. And I go with another trimmer that's not as sharp. And I just outline this whole line right here. Just to double check. What's good, YouTube? I just finished doing this low taper. It's on curly hair. If you guys have not subbed to the channel, hit the sub button. And if you guys are interested in learning how to scale your barber business, you guys are stuck, you guys don't know what to do with content and social media, we have an online academy called the School of Barbering, where we teach barbers how to scale past 6 figures with content, editing content, filming content. We are there to help you guys grow. On bi-weekly Zoom calls, we will be there literally walking you through how to create content, how to edit it, when to post it. Any problems you might have with your business, we can solve them there. If you're interested, click the link down below where you guys will have access to us just for $99 a month, guys. So if you guys are interested, hit the link.